Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the 200 megapixel camera mode on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. Open up the camera app. Switch into a dedicated 200 megapixel mode by scrolling down to high res. It says 200 megapixel right up top here, click it, and now it's 200 megapixel. When it's white, it's 50, when it's orange, it's 200. Let me quickly take a picture of this flower. We're waiting for it to stop processing. Here we get our picture. It doesn't look good in the camera, but it's 2001 megapixel with a resolution of 47 megabytes per picture, so it's actually a lot. You can also disable it and take only 50 megapixel, but the 200 megapixel mode is definitely for high resolution shots. Make sure not to use it too often unless you have enough storage for these large pictures. If you have the memory, then why not? That's how you can easily use the 200 megapixel camera mode. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.